Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that feels like a thunderbolt from the past. Reborn for the future, a legend that helped define American muscle, now redesigned for a new era. This is the 2026 Pontiac GTO, and if just hearing that name gives you chills, trust me, you're not alone. Pontiac might be a name we haven't seen on new cars for over a decade, but now it's back and it's not interested in easing in quietly. The GTO has returned with a purpose, to remind the world why American muscle still matters. The moment you lay eyes on it, you realize this isn't just a nostalgic rehash. It's a modern muscle car with heritage in its bones and aggression in its stance. The design language blends retro influence with future-forward execution. Up front, it hits you with a bold, squared-off grille reminiscent of the classic 1960s GTO, but sharpened with modern LED signature lighting and functional aero. The hood is sculpted with dual heat extractors, and the center bulge gives you a hint that something serious lies beneath. Move to the profile and you'll see the proportions are unmistakably muscle, long hood, short deck, rear-wheel drive posture. Wide fenders wrap around forged 20-inch wheels with fat Michelin Pilot sport tires, and the lower beltline paired with high shoulders gives it that menacing, low-slung look. Blacked-out trim replaces chrome, the greenhouse is tight, and the lines are clean yet aggressive, pulling tension all the way to the back dot at the rear. The GTO means business. There's a ducktail-style integrated spoiler, full-width LED taillights, and quad exhaust outlets that sit inside a functional diffuser. Everything about the back end screams attitude, but it's still tastefully executed. This car doesn't try to be something it's not. It just unapologetically embraces its muscle car DNA while evolving it into something sharper, more deliberate, and more refined. Step inside and you get a mix of tradition and technology. The interior layout is driver-centric with a deep-set cockpit feel. You sit low, surrounded by premium materials, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trim. The seats are sculpted and bolstered aggressively, but still comfortable, enough for long highway stretches. Contrast stitching runs along the dash and door panels, and subtle retro cues like the GTO badge etched into the seatbacks and gauges give it just the right amount of throwback flavor. Front and center is a 12.3-inch, fully digital gauge cluster, customizable with different layouts for road, sport, and track modes. The infotainment is handled by a massive 15-inch touchscreen powered by GM's latest software platform, Intuitive, fast and seamlessly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. There's a heads-up display, performance telemetry, and a full suite of connectivity options, including a built-in 5G hotspot. Even the sound system, tuned by Bose, hits hard, though honestly, you won't be using it much once you hear the engine. Now, let's talk power, because the GTO wouldn't be the GTO without serious muscle under the hood. At the heart of this beast is a 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, pushing out 525 horsepower and 480 pounds-ft of torque. It's an all-new LTE-based engine developed with performance in mind, and it revs high and sounds absolutely wicked. The standard transmission is a Tremec 6-speed manual with active rev matching and launch control, for those who prefer quicker shifts. There's also a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters, fast, responsive, and smarter than you'd expect. Power goes to the rear wheels through a limited slip differential, and with the right tires, this thing hooks up hard. 0 to 60 comes in just under 4 seconds with the auto, slightly more with the manual, but again, this car isn't chasing just numbers. It's about the way it delivers that power, raw, linear, with a throaty exhaust note that builds into an all-out roar at high RPMs. It's the kind of sound that doesn't just fill the cabin, it fills your chest. Handling has come a long way too. The 2026 GTO uses GM's updated Alpha 2 platform with adaptive magnetic ride control, a wider track, and significantly improved chassis rigidity. It corners flat, turns in sharply for a car its size, and gives you real feedback through the steering wheel. You feel connected, involved. It's not just brute force, it's balanced muscle. Brembo brakes come standard and bite hard, with great pedal feel and fade resistance, whether you're canyon carving or lapping a circuit. On the tech and safety front, the GTO includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. But everything can be dialed down or turned off completely for a more analog experience. It's the kind of car that respects the driver's desire to be in control. As for pricing, the 2026 GTO starts at around $58,000 for the base model with The manual, which undercuts most of the European competition and even some domestic rivals. Fully loaded with performance and appearance packages, carbon fiber upgrades, and the automatic, you're looking at just under $70,000 for a car that delivers this level of performance, character, and old-school soul wrapped in modern precision. That's a compelling proposition. The Pontiac GTO has returned, and it didn't come back to play it safe. It came back to remind us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. It's a car that honors its roots without being trapped by them. A true modern muscle machine that gives you the rumble, the thrill, and the soul you expect, but with the tech, comfort, and control we've come to demand in 2026. Thanks for riding along with this deep dive into the reborn GTO. If this car got your heart racing, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews just like this, and let us know in the comments, would you go for the manual or the auto? Are you ready for Pontiac to make a real comeback? We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, stay passionate, drive something that moves you, and we'll catch you in the next one.